say sa legal away omo nimpo se ekoso mo misi nkrofo bebre omo nim se bibi koso se fiade bia omo nim na ye be den na omo amaso beti ti se wo wa catch obi se odi etie emfa ho kra abomode anatie
applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Fa kwan so na me nsanka me ba trust me o sha se na within 1 year wo so benya baby nge de ato na so ade efese wo benya bidodo enti empaba sakola enso wo na so da empaba kra once there is life there is hope enti no betumi enye bi through this kind of process. Tune in to GN Radio, listen to today's program, and trust me, you won't regret doing so. Unyanso abomode ana share na obinso enti enchebia ye baso adom meni aba adom nyom na ene guso a yeti enti no sister Dinah yes enti unyum no ba ko na yemfa ntwe oh okay debi yenti yemre aso medamase se mo etie me na mo share program no mesra mo share program ne ma me why mo share program no ma me na nyame adom a December ye befa one special day bi na mo dodo na Bwf Solicitors nyame anamomo so na wonsa ka ni a ohwehwe wo legal matters ayeyi ma ono mo ba be di adanse amaye na encourage you bi nso motivate you bi na show being crying say say enkechi ukọ na ko hu Bwf Solicitors asenia wasem na asay said den no omo de we just go to them omo hwa asem na process dem kra na nkwa wo ho nko ade a trust me arechichire nso ewo ho ebeyi yo edwumedi ya to ne den say legal hour with Bwf Solicitors GN Radio na mutie na monua ba ene me ne mo bedi dwumeyi Mrs. Amede, Medaso di Mayanate, yo, na mene yam papa, Dr. Uncle Ben, Mr. Bernard Owusu, ewo aha, oba betreche yes. I said I'm can introduce the program no. Me can say ye be can something about surrogacy any kromu law. Senia ekom, kwan ben na obe fashion na won so onsa kan with them. Enti ye sha sia no please. Facebook for me shemo me sremo me pese ade no kosro. Enti na manual den misremo mama nem koso mami why share keep sharing najima nyame nshira a very good morning to you keep sharing the program then I believe say obebua obi a ono nso ne nsa beka program no 18 Uncle Ben good morning
Good morning, Manyati. Nice to say.
Nyame adumo ni ahwe ye mpacho me ho ye pa na mo nso
Ye de radiase pa.
Sane ye share into no just 2 seconds me pese me share me di answer na ye nkwaso yo ene ye nkra ne bone senia wonim no edufia de bia abusuafo keep sharing the program for us please me pamocho because me nim senia ebebua obi na I don't want to be selfish. We are helping the community na so we say won sha na say oh yeah you selfish. Share the program na obi so who say ye wa ha ye di dwuma kese yo Uncle Ben ye nkwa echichi mema ho kwan na wechicha wadofo na afede ye di program no ahyase mpacho wo so
Yo Manyati we dey anopay me chia obia yada atifo ase ane wona obeka ye ho e Facebook ne YouTube no yada mu nyina ase anopay say wakasa bebre na dodo na about sani betimi aya ye be kire kwan be boa ye nuanom on betimi ade omomma aba ana se sebio omo struggle kakra se omo ebetimi afa ye fun na omo wono na omotimi ayusu ekwan a ye ba be kire na omotimi di omomma ana first of all nyame acha omoba na nyame cha no ba ni wi a de obeye na ode akola no beba ote ho say ne brofu din na nkasa no surrogacy na ye kase surrogacy a na kire say wafa obi so aye bibi watu obi esi ho it's ne synonym betimi aye proxy but the surrogate ne say obi aye bibi agina onamu aye bibi ama ana waye bibi a o wutiri tumi na ma no de ye kan nyina ne say akwanya wo ho say o ye oba usually ye oba ana wo struggle say obewo ana wo ye bema na momienu nyina mo struggle na ekwan wo ho UK de ye law na akwanim pa yeah, Human Fertilization and Embryology Act, no, 2010, 2008, amended no, ningina eka arrangements was a year, especially Section 30, Section 50, and Section 51 of the 2008 Act, now amended no. Actually, sana ubitimi ayano. And your baby say surrogacy there. And first of all, yakase surrogacy. Surrogacy oba or woho wafa yefun ama ekun ene yere ana eyere nkoa ana ekun nkoa. Process na ode befa yefun no very important because say a man said do na ade amonim no ye IVF in vitro fertilization and na do na anim IVF na munyina amonim but there were two types. There were intro fertilization and there were implantation. May explaining in actually more. Now, I crucial because your law no, I UK law. No pay what the okoye surrogacy. So person baby jina ho na offer your phone na wo mawa. Enye se woni na shia. Because woni na shia che se woni na da. I through scientific means. Anu ne friend of surrogacy no. Woni na da dia enye surrogacy. And the more sexual intercourse and there's no surrogacy about it. Pasa wone na bema na oba no efa ye fun either by in vitro fertilization and as implantation anu ne friend no surrogacy no There was some Shannon so say UK law no echi say wubetua sika and you be a arrangement assigned contract say onwoma your law no chi section 30 no of your Human Fertilization and Embryology Act and section 50 and section 51 no etia sa de no broni beka say the law frowns upon it. However, wubetimi ne ọbaa no ayɛ nhyehyɛe a wobɛtua ne needs a saa needs no ɛbae because ɔnyem because sɛbio ɔbaa nyem a ebi ntumi nkɔ adwuma ɔbaa nyem a ɔbɛhia ntare akɛseɛ ɔbaa nyem a ɔbɛkɔ hospital ɔbaa nyem a ɔbɛhia specialist care saa process no yɛ law no UK law no ɛma ho kwan sɛ wobɛtua sika for that. But UK law no ma kwan sɛ wokɔtɔ akɔlaa anaa wokɔtua sika ma ɔbaa bi na ɔbaa no awo ama wo. But sɛ sikatua no yɛ arrangements a ɛfa awoɔ no ho a ɛndeɛ yɛ okay. Enti the first step ɛwɔ sɛ wohu no sɛ Timbuktu ana wokɔfa nipa no wɔ hɔ sɛ Bamako sɛ Accra o sɛ Kumasi o sɛ Sogakofe o sɛ Ho sɛ Tamale o law a yɛde yɛ adwuma no ɛyɛ UK law. Law a yɛde yɛ adwuma no ɛyɛ UK law. And a process no, you were two main process. You were the HFE Act no, Human Fertilization and Embryology Act no. You were the law and you were Immigration and Nationality law. And only two different things. So see, I'm a main concentration no. HFC Act and as a Human Fertilization and Embryology Act 2010, 2008, especially 2008, 2010, section 30, section 31, and as a 2008, section 50, section 51. And I may concentrate on for now, because me person me process now, whatever faso now, what they are agreement, no. Ebiomu minim say our hospitals were Ghana, ubetimi ne clinic and I arrangement. But two arrangement. One, I between mo as a couple, no, money oba e Ghana and akrofufro so money na arrangement. And I say between mo oba ni kun money clinic I arrangement. Ni nyina me aware say Ghana omo. In fact, minim krofo a omo yebi a sebio bibia edimo. Ade a yɛka no yɛnka adoption yɛka processor obi bɛwo ama wo a bɛba bɛyɛ wo ba and the process no na me share no to me pese me to me boss because Ghana your community no anya ade a me yɛhwɛ so yɛ discuss ade but yɛ very key so you behu the law no itself no so na ebetimi aboa yɛn ama yɛyɛ application na yɛbehu de yɛyɛ ti law America no HFE Human Fertilization and Embryology Act 2008 and 2010 2008 as amended no the latest amendment in fairly recently and wasem na America manye the fact say woni oba na hyehyɛ sɛ ɔnwo ma wo no akwala na nyɛ wo ba automatically. Enti there were three processes me pese me explain it. Three processes ni nyina na ebe determine sana akwala no na wofoɔ no ɔmo bɛyɛ. The first process ne say wo papa maame ana bɛrima ne ɔbaa sɛbio sɛbe muntimi nwo nti makɔ Ghana ebia wo ne wo sister ana sɛ wo ne wo cousin ana wo ne wadamfo bi ana sɛ any other person wo no ayɛ nhyehyɛe sɛ wo bɛrima no wo deɛ wo sperm no yɛ okay ɔbaa no na ne eggs no nyɛ okay ana wo bɛrima no wo sperm no nyɛ okay but ɔbaa no egg yɛ okay but wo yere no ɔno ntumi ɛnconceive ne nyinaa yɛ scenarios a give rise to surrogacy no because surrogacy no ade ɛkyerɛ ne sɛ wo yere no ntumi fight efu no through the term a friend of 9 months term no enti all those on no egg ne yɛ adwuma no ontumi ɛnkɔ term enti obeyi egg no either say you the wo sperm and be fertilizing, and I say you on an egg na you the bema for sperm and be fertilizing through sperm donation. Ni nyina allowed under UK law. Menka Ghana law at the moment because Ghana you need to be a friend of surrogacy and you need law a family. But me use Ghana law on the determination of parentage at the chiremu bibi and also bit me aboa. My yes I di we nyina no. I was somewhere sure say mo sa maame ane papa eku ane yire no. Nipa na amoma no egyina ho aya mama no. Ote ase se akola no ye wo na e wo se ode no mama. Ye wo na e wo se ode no mama. Enti first process mo be identify oba na obefa ye fun na mama no. 2 mo be decide say either say depending on the medical issue involved no say mo ye IVF and I say mo ye implantation. IVF na ye in vitro fertilization no ade a kira na say ya sperm no ana ye de sperm no akɔhye oba ni mu ye frɛ bibi ye frɛ no gift ye frɛ no 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 intrafallopian transfer.
They are medical.
It's a gift, you know. A gift, you know. I say 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴, you can't 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴. I try say adeno any. Now, if you think about it now, the fact say 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 no means egg no and a sperm no. Omo ahye no outside. Enti ye 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 no menim se monimo a start ye nipa eba.
Say like term germination. I didn't germinate that.
𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 no ye a sperm ne egg a fertilizer enyi. Enti gift nankasa no 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 intrafallopian transfer gift. 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 intrafallopian transfer. And also a processor you de fertilize and you de transfer 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 no ekɔhye oba no ne fallopian tube. Na kyerɛ sɛ anya oba no egg ɛyɛ eku ene yire egg and a sperm, it may be from another person. But ye nyi 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 no outside the womb. Enti edu baby a ye betimi ede aye adwuma no. Ye de ahye surrogate mother no, ye de ahye ne womb mu. The other part no aye donor insemination and DI. Enti my IVF, in vitro fertilization. And only the sperm no share oba nim. And my gift 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 intrafallopian transfer. 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 intrafallopian transfer. And I say ID a donor insemination. So 3 process we nyina no lead to surrogacy. Okay? Idea lead to surrogacy intercourse. Oba na bema na da. Enti oba na bema no koda wo baabi na wo ka se omo wo amame a ohima enye surrogacy. Enti yenhye no so. Now, some processing so there were 3 areas that was be a shannon so. The 3 areas are you one that was be a shannon so and I said mamina ana a rabana yede egg no ana sperm na hye ni mu no se oni kun a ewo sena law no fa no owo kun a ewo sena law no fa no se sperm na yede either fertilization no and a creative 𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐴 no say every bema na omo ye part of the commissioning couple because a kune yire kasa obi nye surrogate ma omo a ye from commissioning couple. So sperm no every commissioning couple ho a na kyerɛ sɛ under your law no sɛ ɔbaa na ware a under your surrogacy law no. So bana wafa your phone wa warrior akwala no eye oni ni kun edia enyemo dia mpacho bo hye no so se oba na mo se on fire phone ma mo no se wa warrior it doesn't matter say your sperm ana eye wo yire egg akwala no enyemo dia akwala no eye oba na dia by your law no Section 30, Section 51, Section 50. Emma ho kwan say mo beye bibi ma akwala no abeye modia. Enti me go through enso. Se oba na offer your fu no se onware ya na sperm na e create akwala no eye commissioning couple no sperm under the law no because of what genetic connection with the child no. Papa no eye commissioning couple no papa se egg no ne sperm ni nyina eye commissioning couple a maame na ne ye use ne egg eye papa na yere no onye mother under the surrogacy rules no mother ne ye oba na owo ba no enti all those maame na owo ye no enye ne egg sperm no so fi baabi no so ono no wo akola na ye ne ba enti maame na oye part of the commissioning couple no so ne egg ne use yi kra na all those are still genetic connection to the child akola na ye ne ba akola na ye surrogate no aye ne ba. Three scenarios na mama. Surrogate mother waware, surrogate mother onware, surrogate mother eyusu sperm and egg enye ne dia ni nyina fi commissioning couple and every baby for. But three instances ni nyina na akola ne ye surrogate mother ne ba. Enti manyati to say wo we fertile say no yeyi bo egg ebia nyame mpengu bibia ba doctor say wontimi nko full term enti yeyi wo egg no yeyi ukun sperm ane ye de aye ba oba na o carry no ebia o cousin na o sister o ukun ba o say oh manya me ya mamo be pese me ye chemo be ya ma ya wo na akola na nya wo ba akola na ye maame no wo yo do say ye wo egg no akola na nya wo ba da under ye Human Fertilization and Embryology Act. Okay. There's a reason here at SAR. So three scenarios, and then a bit determined processor, I was a firm now the Obano eba. Under your law, no, because sir, your person mamena on yem akolano a war no, your person unya on no only voluntary and consent or the akolano be mamono. Your mano 6 weeks. So, or the number more, I was said a D 6 weeks a day call. And between 6 weeks and 6 months, I was said, move follow court process. Akolano ebebabeya modia. The court process, UK government, almost friend, parental order under Section 50 and Section 51, Section 30 of the HFE, Human Embryology Act. Process I was follow the Ghanaian Children Act. I was similar process, but the only time we bet me a parentage order and our parental order every Ghana court and say one of the applicants, genetically connected to the child. And in Ghana, usually maybe a bear sperm and a DIA, a dear creative germate, and a DIA gifts, and I DIA IVF, and I DIA DI. Sa processing in our so who bear mana moya commissioning couple say ye woo dia and ye we a parent. Ghana law no a parental order. Say your sperm by your year egg. Because we are genetically connected to Ghana law and so ebema parental order. Now bear in mind say Saudi ayena obere no aka say your sperm and your egg. The only way I'm be determined Saudi no ay by DNA. Enti na was a DNA test. DNA test and so UK government approved DNA providers omo pe and betimi ayesa testing. obi bɛka sɛ lawyer process a me go mu through nyina me te UK enti me dan ana me ba no abɛka me ho wopɛ sɛ ɔba no bɛka wo ho a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ saa 3 areas no ma follow enti ɔba no a ɔyɛɛ no so waware a na bɛrima no amma consent sɛ ɔnyɛ saa de no a ɔno papa no ɛnyɛ ne ba ne akɔlaa no but sɛ ɔma consent de a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tu ne nyinaa no sign consent form no na ɔmo de akɔlaa no ma mo after 6 weeks of birth but before 6 months of birth. After 6 weeks of birth, but before 6 months of birth. So almost sign consent na mo gyina so e de application. Mo betimi application in UK court. Mo betimi aye no Ghana court. Ghana court no omema mo order be a parentage order under section 40 of the Children Act. UK courts no the process no purely under the HFE and even under Family Law Act no, but under HFE, which is the Human Fertilization Embryology Act no. Moye wie no a akola na bɛyɛ mo dia no niema mmiɛnsa ana betimi asi sɛ akola no mo wo no na mo bɛrima na moyɛ commissioning couple no sɛ yɛ wo sperm na yɛde wo na baame na ɔfa anyi no ma mo no ɔnware ya legally no under section 59 of the British Nationality Act and indeed also under section 50 and 51 of the Embryology Act no akola no aba bɛyɛ British national sɛ ekunu no ɛyɛ British a sɛ ekunu no nyɛ British but ɛyere no yɛ British but because ɛyere no although sɛ yɛ ne egg no still ɛnyɛ ne ba ne akola no sɛ ɔmo timi go through the consent stage and the parental order anaasɛ a parentage order ɛwɔ Ghana still no akola no ɛnyɛ British ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo apply for BB, a friend of section 297 of the immigration rules, yebema akola indefinite leave to remain. Where mameno onyema akola no owo kunu se owo mamwa na voluntarily no mo de akola no mamwa muntimi use section 15 of the British Nationality Act muntimi use section 59 and fanye enti mo be apply under your immigration rules no but outside the rules near the amakola no aba enti 3 processes in the fertilization course no and 3 processes in the immigration and nationality course. In as akola no British enti oje British passport and a right of abode akola no nye British because momo nye British and amo ye British but anya papa no ano ye British maame no ye British enti akola no nye British our somewhere paragraph 297 application ana mo nye British but mo sperm any egg ni nyina anya mo dia mo ko borrow sa process no ana mo de ye ya our some use application outside the rules enti manyati ne tentene ne tie nyina ne se ya law no senate no ɛma ho kwan sɛ obi wɔ ha ekun ane yere ɔmo ntimi nwo either sɛ bɛrima no ni sperm anaa ɔwɔ sperm but ɔbaa no ntimi nkɔ full term because of medical condition ɛkwan ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ ɔmbe use na ɔmo de awo na akwadaa na bɛyɛ ɔmo dea na ɔmo agye British citizenship ama akwadaa no British passport right of abode and now ɔmo de naba under immigration rules na akwadaa no abɛtena kurom a lengthy complex area of law saa in inter-country surrogacy rules no yɛnhwɛ kurobia rules yɛnni any international law only UK law and sɛ adoption a yɛwɔ international law Ghana nso asa international law a use UK law any surrogacy bia yɛyɛ biara no ɔbaa na ɔwɔ akwadaa no ɔno ana yɛ ne ba ɛnyɛ maame na yɛde ne kosua ɛkɔyɛɛ no the whole process no as I've mentioned no it has to lead to fertilization either IVF in vitro fertilization or gift which is that ɔmɛkriti akwadaa no ɛwɔ test tube mu ana yɛde akɔ implant anaasɛ ɔmayɛ DI the same process no nso ɛno nso yɛ outside fertilization ana ɔmɔde ayɛ either way ana among the 3 no process na wobɛuse biara no ne nyinaa no ɛkreti ɛba ɛma mo
Sadi and that from sa. Yo, Uncle Ben. Yedasi. Yedasi ninche mwa odi amaye na am say eta asum yi na baby am say ohono akoye unim say yeyi wo hu nkosia yeyi mi kunu nkosia ye de akɔhwe obi yam enti no obefa ne se ne eye wo ba nanso ye be wo akola no enye wo ba tise watu ho anamu no ohono eye minyanka kra because ye trimu de enim se eye wo ba enti Uncle Ben ye fa ne se bibisa o say 6 weeks after birth any 6 months before
yeah, before 6 months.
Before 6
months. And voluntary transfer, no, I would say after 6 weeks. Because wawoba for I think the logic behind the whole thing, wawoba for it may be say obese sana dwen say obeye ade no. Mesremu the fact say obi ni wa agree say obewo ma no. Owoba ni wi no so mfa na ma wa hwini wa betimi a because ba na ye dia. No, just remember that. Eba no aye maame na oye surrogate no say eye ni kosua na enye ni kosua no because ono anye makola no 9 months awo no ono it may be shorter, it may be say akola na enyi wo test tube mu for 3 months into adan yem 6 months say 1 month kra no dan yem akola na ye de anya wo dia. What I want to say is the process now requires a voluntary submission and as a voluntary delivery of the child to the commissioning couple. One deliver akolana mamo and fana shemonsa after 6 weeks, after 7 weeks, but before 6 months, akolano and nyemo diada.
Be ya o Uncle Ben. Be ya pa na ye gidi say omo a omo ye sa no nso no omo ka omo asem we feature answer nti no most of the time no ba ni so mo de nkola ni ma just a few occasion bi na menya sa story say after that no na surrogacy for ne so omo mfa akola no emma parent no na enom wa cheche mu amana to asom Uncle Ben u kan say na ye mesika na eno ye illegal but say ye sika mbia o ka say o de ma na onfa hwe ne hu through the pregnancy process na ti say mbia obesisa na atare aduane bi na ne kon be de obi anim say wonyima oni ye nyina esisa enti eno sa no must the person declare say or money say sika daily and monthly and say be being up bringing of the whole pregnancy and I say it should also be something voluntarily any say ba paper so.
Well, as part of the agreement, the moment me I agree fix money or the man. But at the back of our mind, and I was so who say won't talk akola, and the payments, are illegal because payments, it may be beyond any expenditure. $40,000 may be reasonable for somebody. £5,000 may be reasonable, depending on the status of the person. Nipano son of Bonebrafa. Yamfan say, Obi Nyamao, na onoemu, the Niama or ye be a year the cranny pay £50,000. Now, some of them are £1,000 now, and then our day on him. Of course, you say any be on to me quite money in him. I will say, we are sure, say, or you say no increase problem and mano, ama, and into no better income. And be a we be a no yet share, but Sabi be a nipano, maybe a Sabio or no or struggle, but Nasitinamuno, obet me a manager be a £5,000 for the duration, of course. But amount, it has to be a reasonable amount. I near compensation per se, but I amount Emma Nipano and Sofa and amount to Nutia because Ninseno Breno. Restriction one year maybe home. Say a hospital call, a drug talk, car far, and I be cry or special adaptation with the fee. I was saying if you know be also their condition call. I mean it could be anything. So if it appears reasonable to the law, yanka say illegal, but be amuye biano. And yes, I may watch a winter 100,000 and I'm 50,000. Scout money should be connected to the living allowance. That's all you are allowed to pay.
Uncle Ben, yedase ebusia for ye baby lines na tum na sana mefa call no me last question Uncle Ben who made mention say okay sasike nsem ya any consent stage ewo both parents no na sa agreement na yemfa ne say omo de ato paper so omo de sa agreement na sign say we are consenting to give the child to you ewo paper so ma sign now afede wa akola no no ahwe akora ne ho na ho ofe na ne ho twaka no o say menya amfa na ma bio meanwhile no wa sign the consent say or the amount na mpacho ho no so no ye be fa ne sign.
The only time the consent or the akola no ma no after 7 weeks of birth but before 6 months.
Yes.
That is the only consent relevant. Any other agreement, bia on na ye bia so what the akola no be ma no, anya enforceable our UK.
Okay.
Ghana crowd you need lobby county. Don't even go and try there.
Right.
UK your law no. Yes, ubetuni na your arrangement so betia one on your mouth. 2 betia expenses. I better some be sign agreement.
Okay.
But so we no some fa akola no ma wa hwini wa betimi aye. Legal untimi nya hwe.
You and here say mo be koso edim komo na mo establishing that kind of relationship e be preventing no and I be any day say obeka say on to me emfa kra na ema obiom yo ebusiafo emsemre no eko nondu apa abo apa ho na yedi dwumede ye Bwf Solicitors any GN radio akabo ma yedi legal hour dwumede mesremo telephone lines ne mebie 0203 735 8820 and I say 0203-2AC-0185. Na your WhatsApp lines me no so a ye didi dwuma obetumi asend wo message e de abaho and I say voice note and I say wa fresh mpo na ye fa na Uncle Ben eyiwa no na me di kan ebie telephone obi di question baba question no en shada mfa surrogacy ade ho busanfo mesremo question bia is welcome hu hia say near topic I treaty and no hunsoa na say obisa question you can ask the question across board Bwf Solicitors expertise ne dey endorse na obetumi immigration family law you can say litigation ni we ni nyina che say obetumi bisa question bia any Ghanaian law obetumi bisa question bia na monya madom why na mon share program ne nkwechi share it on every platform my wo phone so mane nkwechi mame why ehia me pa yo me first question every Kobi Owusu odiba Facebook ne so ene mekaya manom o say good morning Manyeti and good morning Uncle Ben, can someone submit EEA family permit application without tenancy agreement, please? Can it be refused based on that? Thank you, Uncle Ben. The first question or no?
Okay, well, I mean, first of all, no, say we EU application to see our 2 laws in our either the 2016 regulation and I said the EU SSR, a friend of settled and pre-settled status. No, it be any more about tenancy agreement to do. Adia can say EU ni abusuani. Ano no enti EU ni abusuani suitability test no umiti changes eba no the other options eba very very key. Yeah, ni nyina feel say law no besesa 31st of December, but no besesa from 1st of December until next week, you know, EU law no sesa. I will explain. You decide explaining ra. I will explain further. I say a call ahead. Tenancy agreement and your requirement, but your application now. Sometimes maybe you'll be for free Ghana ba, because for 2, maybe I know what fast and aneba. Or no person or say me or baby or me better, but any requirement. What they can one fan count so you okay. In fact, I had the own demand the cry because of her sections now. Or your application I do mobisa 1 YD, 2 EU ID, 3 more relationship into say birth certificate and marriage certificate. That's all. I do mobisa.
Yeah, easy, sir. Yo, Uncle Ben, that even brings me to my next question. Menua baby, nyamiado, mama no temporary accommodation, or akwala baako, ba wankwala mienu wɔ Ghana, opese okofo mo yiyini. Na mpacho eno sa na afe na wakɔ saa temporary accommodation, or de ka ho, na so still I use the old address system because two just a week ago, no opese okofo mo nini abre pa. Mpacho eno sa no, obeye den.
Well, or temporary accommodation, or current accommodation.
Okay.
Sometimes, your future accommodation. It be our 1 bedroom, but when agency akasa or person high 3 bedrooms, or identify be. Maybe a more contract best start in future. I know the obit me at the current now about the back and work I say, or mobile, me big place I make. But a big temporary accommodation, free be adequacy of accommodation. Say adequate, comply with part 10 of the Housing Act. And you bet me a use to the eye. Chodo say a temporary no, a honor what and no mobile honor better. And ubet me the eye.
Yeah. Me that's it. And my next question, maybe a telephone lines na busian for you can give us a call and ask your question na opese ubisa efa bibia hu immigration hu bibia munim se Bwf Solicitors de nyame adom enim de no wo hopa. Yo, I say good morning lawyer. After EA spouse interview, it takes how many weeks before you get the decision? Hey, you, Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, EA decisions, shut and chesa. And normally, with decision, within a few weeks after the interview. But sometimes, being so, na omo nema, omo check away.
Oh.
And check, I would say, sir, a few weeks after interview, now was a decision.
Okay. Yo, telephone lines ni biom 0203-735-8820 and that's 0203-2AC0185. Ye wo two WhatsApp line back we 077 inti say outside UK na o fry no say bomode ana bo +44 no na che say wa bo 778793998 and I say +447596620154 bomode ana frɛ na Uncle Ben wa ha obeyim obemwa wo aye o questions a opese obi se nyina yo ye wo voice notes bi wa me hwehwɛ me court no na me de aye na ye bisa na me mbɔ ne sisi a na ye ntie mpacho ye ntie ne ye nua bai bisa.
Hello, good morning my nyati, good morning Uncle Ben. Me ba choye frame me host. Me ba choye there more questions me no busama me nkrofo bi a o motie. Me ba chow first one na say okwa apply for EA family permit in Ghana. Na say application no e do time akọ submit your biometrics and na wa amfa tenancy agreement nka ho a. Me ba chow mbetimi agina eno so refuse. Because I think say sometime me say na me tie that say unis and I say no be can say any requirement you say be as a OBS application as a tenancy agreement in kan ho a eno no be gina so refuse. And a second question also yeah me brother be akoka Ghana the Ghana CCA na somewhere January no or yeah application Emma and the wife hey family permit be and no more refuse based on say the wife no Ghana no ko but the signatures and say signature there what marriage certificate in so and there on the passport mo and say na I no kwento say and say because said you see sign the signature no back or the aba no fam e kwa di mo back so the aba no fam kwa akiri they say wo di wani hwe there wo no say and say it's that time no because of lockdown ba Ghana ne maintain no document ananka mo pe he there e bi appeal o man ntimi anye nto mu jaye na say no o mo san kokoye bi o mo court e ko say affidavit e na o mo ko sa court ha seal it was a red seal was on our court and no adopt to other signatures no as a signature but still a normal application no o ma san refuse based on the same signature same no na they say organ into no person me busa man say or advice na we hu de onye advice and say they were ya e be best amano Tino, Medamasi, Omabai.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
Well, Manyeti, tenancy agreement there, no, I mean, tenancy agreement in your requirement. Until we e application, no more refusal application, because one for tenancy agreement and can much as correct. Also challenge a decision. The issue with the signature now, Mate da say who been so harder. The first of all, no, and I keep telling everybody, say obi akwaya ware wo Ghana physically no or and all sign. Into an application or the pictures account or the marriage certificate account or the passport crash or call BBH or no application now omokase and your signature. Omona was home proves any signature and you know also proves because only reasonable course say ombekase and your signature. First of all, your travel photo or registry or 2, or passport tresa wako Ghana, or ticket tresa wako. Signature, it misses. The fact that will be signature yet different on a marriage certificate. You know. Signature and identity. Signature a sign at a time because I never met me as a sign signature. The bottom line is so when I was sign as signature now, I think there was a challenge you. I know some for because EU application muntia. But I am
why Uncle Ben explain BB. Sorry, Uncle Ben
from 31st of December no. Yanya for no a cop and tea or your application I was so young na almost refuse you are. Date our application or so we appeal now. Now you appeal on next year because your application before 31st of December no, we are covered under the law. The new immigration changes HC 813 no, and there are a lot of changes about. Ningina a positive, a bit negative, especially additions of the general grounds for refusal, section 320, no, account. But the bottom line is, when I was saying, I was so challenging.
Yo, Uncle Ben, that's it. Say media saying, me signature, they started secondary school. And no answer after the me sam it won't assist complete. Now we near the refuse me at the bay yo. And Pacho on your door for our friend, yes, so friend Uncle Ben explain bibi I not when ya but kakra e de my and why. Now we dina so kakra and pre hona catilla no will definitely get back to you. Ain't no obey to me as afre 0203 735 8820 and as 0203 280 185 yentie wensu de no ewa himpo a okay.
Good morning, Manyeti. Good morning, Uncle Ben. The Massinage, my power Obama. Where them question it here will be. But usually, I'm Baba Konya 18 and Baba Ko 25. Now, me Busa say, I find a Baba EU settlement scheme. Now, met me the Membana Abba 18 to 25 no more Ghana. And I say by the game, and the mean to me for Muma. Patromesha show dependency. I was a no old regulation 2016 year law, and I saw some under EU settlement scheme. Is a meeting year mediana. Let me just indicate. I met my under data na. Patro.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
Yes, I mean still old regulation here, Juma. You bet me under old regulation. You bet me under Appendix EU, FP, IF family permit. No. First of all, no, wabusu ni bia or yet direct family member. To see a crowd, where do you see a close family member? Aya woba wabanoma, woma me wo papa, wo nana, wo nana. Omunyina ya wabusu afo. So what the woba aba no ya under 21 na we show dependence. What the woba aba na or over 21 na we show dependence. And nay, what the woman me ba all those say or your dependent family member no. Dependence is assumed, but from January no, from June no, omo assume dependence in the bill. And 2% of the meba and there now one share no krana still to meet no ba because omo assume dependence. But from June next year no, I was so sure so no. Obano there or over 21 I was so interest no. Either old style or new style, ni na okay. From January no It can only be the new style and also one shadow. So.
Okay, Uncle Ben, that's it. Yenya order for back one man. Say very good morning to you. Pacho, oh, free hina ye frozen. Pacho, wow, man, so when I know Casan, Pacho, free na ye frozen. Hello. Oh, you, men fall for France. So good morning. Pacho, oh, Casawa hina ye frozen.
Pacho, your family told you, Casan.
Pacho, page our voice, Kakrama, me why?
Yo, good morning, my tea. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Because I feel London, your family, George. Pacho, Makofa, me baba, me under EU, na Makofa, me baba, me wa Holland nationality. Na Makofa, me baba, my EU settlement scheme, indefinite leave to remain. But Obama is under 3 years now. The person who puts us a meeting here apply British passport amana.
Oh, my you send a banner there.
One to cry. Oh, Papa,
oh, me about one banner age.
Me ban was 17 now.
17. Okay.
Anna one so who an hour year British passport ana.
Me even kuta British passport. Me even kuta EU settlement scheme. But me na friend the Holland book.
Okay. Now, unfortunately, so bow under 18 now be a British nationality. All those under section 3(1) are discretionary. Or guidance notes now. I was one of the parents here British, and I British. I just said, oh ye BBA, Sadena or here British citizenship. Usually be a Juma. And I say BB. And Tisadia, I just say Mumubako British. And Tisa, I just say Unin over 18. I want to have 5 years. Now I hear under Section 6 of the British Nationality Act.
Yes, yo, order for one muscle. Good morning to you. Pacha, oh, free. Now you're frozen.
Me pacho, me free. Good morning. Me free Coventry.
Thank you.
Hold on. Nipa mienu na kasa no mesra wa landline so na edo so. Pacho wa WhatsApp no mami abotre kakra why. Okay. Oba pacho kasa.
Me pacho me free Coventry na me EU settlement scheme ni bi. Na ama me pre-settle status. But me call akwaji settle status no. Case worker ni say me EU child no. I was say oye self-sufficient for continuously 5 years. And so na menya settle status no because me quite derivative right. And so me person me find out say and also it's the same.
Okay.
Well, I mean, last 2 weeks we'll be free about CSI and as comprehensive medical insurance, So, Oba EU ni no waha, ye free BB derivative right. So derivative right, So when I was shanwa, so kuskum kwa dia, but I was so self-sufficient. Self-sufficiency, where Juma ye eka, to say, what ye Juma. Now we comprehensive medical insurance for 5 years, sir. And ya kolano per se no was or your self-sufficiency, but o pesa wo chere se mutimihwemo. Now insurance for 5 years now.
Uncle Ben, ne de no de ato so, say o kasa ya na call ye ntino.
Okay, that's okay.
All right. Yeah, number and the 4349 e wo WhatsApp ne so mpacha wo na edru so. Ye fra o sen na o kasa free.
Good morning, because I'm from Barcelona.
Okay.
Me pato, me person bisa Uncle Ben asem kakrebi. Me su EU passport, but I don't know. Some person meaning my wife, but the ben documents na me need the answer. Me babe process under EU settlement now, even though me was settlement scheme UK. So me babe process my wife. The ben documents never say medeba like marriage certificates. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, well, after na opesa obaha won.
But after na opesa obaha.
Even though my baby
Settle status.
My baby.
Okay, well, I mean, first of all, you form more for rights.
Okay, Uncle Ben explaining to Pacho, to me, I dinner with Tina Mammy. Why?
Okay.
You form more for rights, and more right of admission, right of initial residence, extended right of residence, and a permanent residence. So, the same rights, and EU assessment. To say, who ye EU need. Na wo ba foforo ana wo wa ha ba opese wo de wo yere ba o won kwan se wo de no ba ono nso because of your family member no or right of admission enti munya be remu a se wo pe initial right of residence am up to 6 months a wonya hwe but remember say your cut off period so see a period a wo mu your friend IP and answer implementation period from IP period no you call grace period. Grace period is between implementation and June of next year. And between IP period, I was say we sure say. So one mahada, what do you want? Abeka ensue ewaha. Now, mubati say by 31st of December, no. Yeah, kase. I was so wow. And say we EU ni na one by 31st of December. New law no never apply. But so one baha kra no we free ha akọ. Now won't lose the right of residence because unko outside for more than 2 years. Say 2 years, but under the EUSS no 5 years. Still no we okay. Say what the one be can sue ha. Until what will be back even from January. Still no the no back under the old law no and answer the current law. And so I no answer when we hearing about. I was so sure so you into marriage certificate. I was so sure so we EU ni ti o passport and our ID card. Emu bia ultimate now the number. Why?
Okay, Uncle Ben, obeti. But just say utie.
Okay. Adia me bisa Uncle Ben say marriage certificates ni yebe legalizing and say aba ana say I don't know
say marriage certificate a legal document into can yebe legalize
because one time me process edina baspin no the marriage certificate no court and I don't know the call foreign minister or I forget the ministries and stamp red stamp be almost like I certificate be almost boss no ye koye ba inti tama me presenting member nationality e wa hase na media no kan ho na medical present here na omuji no to hono so what I say inti me man e print new one e wa Ghana e de brand me but no ye printed the brand no yamfa nko foreign affairs ministry anko e bibia wo so ade am
okay Pacho hold on na Uncle Ben in church
warrior no a registry and I say a fia warrior a customary marriage.
Uncle Ben bisa say warrior na a fia warrior na a registry.
Yeah, registry na ko
certification. Bear in mind, says Spain, law is totally different from the English law. And I don't know, I also translated Spanish language. Ningina accounting and our certification. So a customary marriage, dear, yes, and the Abeka yeah. But once I registry, now okay, which means I'm tuning in our more than we are. We hear any certification be why?
Okay, Mirasi.
Yes, so that's it, Papa. You, Pacho Mama was so kafra. Wow, number ended with 8334. 8334. It do so, Miss. So your frown said now, Casa free.
certification.
Hello, Papa. 8334. When I do so, your friend said now, Casa free.
Which means I'm tuning in our more.
And lower gadgets like a cry. Why? Next year, every phone. Why?
Okay. Now, me
good morning.
Yes. Pacho, your family Emmanuel.
Hello, Papa. 8334.
Me oba neti. Na me ni oba na uminu. Na oba no na answer na me beba be shiano no. No ono so any be ma bia wo ba ko a akra no British passport dada. Na me ne wu uminu no. Me so menen ai yakwa yama se me wo 2.5 ni bi ye nyina ye wo bi na ade ne se akra no be ma ba ko na oba ni di kan ne wo ye no ono so de Emmanuel osai boatin e na me so me de Emmanuel osai na na akoya se akra no ma me percent ko oyi ne ba panyi no ne wo ye no ni din de akwani din de Isaac osai boatin entinka maame ne peso oyi ai boatin ni free no de ne surname no osai na ya middle name no e ba be ye ne surname na me ka se akoya se e ba sa na leche sa amame mi ni ne surname na ba be pe na ye betimi a change surname no ai boatin na free wo na affect your application na e be ye no in case you could renew.
Well, sir, ba oya under 18 na was sa the dia I was for me no omo agree and sana wetimi asesandin no enti se maame ne gitum na akola no papa nso gitum se ompese omo sesandin na and yeah that's fine there be nya dey be affect your application and I say it needs affect your application. Why?
Okay, enti no akwaya te se me na wo foforo na ni din no me say name ni ose no na akla no so a woni be ma ba ko ne di kan wo ye no yeyi ama ose akla no boati na firi ama ose na be ne say name no affect application
eni say affect your application no say akola no papa ene ne maame ana o ma sesa o mo bedin a eni say affect your application.
Okay. I mean, no, I have to say what a be no move free say, maybe mum that main person me den ye ne ba. Enti me ba akra ne ba. Enti maybe I make kata.
Ohene say akola no maame ene ne papa esesa omo bedin a akola no en dani obi foforo ba. Wudi ni birth certificate say den akola no be ye oba. Enti me nya oba sa. Enti sa ne maame Kromo ya law no say ansa na wobesesa akola din no e wo se ne maame ene ne papa gi din no tum no mumie no agree a obetimi asesa din no. Why?
Oh be ma na one ne wo na dia wage atum so obetimi asesa ono so oba na dia atum so obetimi asesa
and you wouldn't problem bia enti mama sesa omo bedin wono woni tumi bia ho akola na so in fact we need parental responsibility ti wutimi nya na hwe Tijama omo so almost the same affect any say affect your application so why
me na me dey na me suru ni say na akwa say me ni dino be ma ni dino so
don't worry about it
oh I say me the Emmanuel osei be ma no so the Emmanuel osei
Papa Uncle Ben achechu mu say nia o kan say affect you in any way why Yadasi nkrofo wala na chinti no wenya we dia ye ma obi hu so kwan na no so nya ne dia why nyame nshira yo
okay
bye bye mpacha wa landline so no kafra we dina so ache facha me why special good morning to you mpacha o free na ye fra say wa landline so
hello
hello
oh your friend me William now Uncle Ben, I'm a person who became 1 or 2. Maybe a year in I'm a tick room half for past 12 years. Then I'm in a year, but many jay. Number 1 year or Ghana, I'm a person in never. But after I started coming application, but not the passport, no. Ewa eso ye renewal but onya new onya renewal wa Ghana. Na me say me frɛ busa say after December 31st no still I make the number and me banaba na.
Yes, ohene maware.
Ya worry about here no a customary marriage. And you
customary marriage ya ware enti wa ware. Wa ware na wo wa ha dada. And yeah, after from January day kono still betime the number. Omo the new laws aba sesia no ye kasa enye ye boy adwumu keke ne ye aka because no ma finalize bibia.
Okay.
Changes omo the aba ne say obi ye wabusuani as at 31st of December. Ya mama ho kwan say after that time no obetime the number any time. Ebusuani no we had definition of close family members almost say wo yere wo ba wo yere ana wo kunba wo maame wo nana and wo nana sa nkrofo we no after from January no still obetimi de omaba eba wo be wo no from January so obetimi de naba eba wo be adopt no from January so obetimi de naba omo a wontimi inform mba aye abusua something ana extended family member enti from January no o faase o uncle o auntie o brother o sister wontimi mfa no mba I just say we yes application no before December ana say owo hadada ana say ya man of visa dada say or your extended family member. New changes on the abano. We had the meaning of extended family member started from January now. From January, omo obetimi di omaba. Aye, wukun ana wo yere oye wukun ana wo yere asat 31st December. Wo ba, wo papa, wo maame, wo nana ena wo nana ya wo baba ana wo yere baba. And now we're betimi de omaba. But dependency amunimu no adoption amunimu no. Say only bibi a friend a specified document. I just say a mano family permit and our residence card dada from January no omuntimi emma habi nti obia owo abusuani bi opese ode no ba. And we na nya yetrim ne ebo aka. See, almost sign law, no, abaya law, almost friend, no, statement of immigration changes, almost friend HC 813 from section 60, from page 64, I think 152. Almost sending in the new definitions about. And to a still, no, after January, ubetimi the number, see, there's no limit. Ubetimi the number anytime, be you hope say almost sound my dream, but that's what it is. Why? To me, your world still bet me the
yo na and so me offer as you say me call Ghana next week. We say me do Ghana bet me me offer application in Ghana. Now some person me application is what some office for Ghana make me acquire no ana.
Adwuma no ti no gina ha sei enti all those your office for Ghana no aha na ye adwuma no enti wo person instruct ya wa ha ye be ma Ghana for na hu enti untimi nko Ghana for nko instruct you almost the wo ye bia no person wo de obi a onya wo ba wo yiri wo kumu ma me wo ba wo nana ba your application no before 11 p.m. 31st of December. Now because your application bear in mind say yes sorry I know your application. I was say your DNA test. I was say we trust no money transfer receipts and barrels and dan a wa ha ne name we has information ni nyina ti mo amo twen say o na me twen na me boaboa me ho amakoye sa application na pamo chew mpese mo beka sa nko be mo beka say adeni from January create me extended family member no say nya dia ya man asetena dada na ya man visa some famra ha from January no wuntimi emfa omo emba biom. Okay.
Yo, Uncle Brown.
Yeah.
And what come out in
Okay. See that's Papa.
Just one question. This case, because I'm saying time, I a bit. The time now is so close. Me time, I'm going Ghana, no. I so close. It is about Ghana. So I make me more communicating. I'm a my application. I'm a me.
I don't know person will call Ghana and say why application. I mean just
next because Sunday you are America.
Okay. Yeah, who call Ghana will bet me akasa. Why?
I know na me pese me hu. So Ghana say me mo akasa na me no fa asene ma ye no fa asene dia na ma no. Yo me da sipi.
Baba see that's. You when the monka fra umpacho wa number 3574 we did so almost 10 minutes facha me why do so pacho your friend say now
pacho your friend me say me kasafi Coventry me na me di kan frɛ about self vision no
yes pacho koso Uncle Bent you
na me can say self-sufficient no actually you get universal credit.
I am aware
of this say base me affect application and
na pacho
ye Juma.
See me want
baby out na e breaki. Hello pacho temenka. Uncle Ben Pacho
say you can say self-sufficiency obi a otimi hwe no ho to na duane etua ne danka accommodation eka ho now so wo je any benefits
see Uncle Ben ewo gadget na wuti na sorry telephone ni mo why obeti obenya no why
I am as a universal creditor and raise issues about whether somewhere is self-sufficient. I am concerned until I saw year. Why?
Oh, what's up, Corsi? Mommy, I will free from Coventry near Uncle Ben can and Pachote. Okay, Uncle Ben, yeah, will be a money and the 1523 1523. Pacho, when it does, your friend said,
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Manya. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Manya,
good morning.
Yeah, me Pacho, friend, me Kofi Antubam. Pacho, me go question me, Ebusa, Uncle Ben.
Pacho Koso.
Uncle Ben, me first one here about after June 31st, grace period now, or more essay or almost reasonable reason. Now, me reasonable reason, no me perception of my man specific, no maybe a reasonable reason. And I am finding that maybe na me kasi be me kola man trida. Is that a reasonable reason or not? But my first question, no. But so second question, so yeah, to say, a year or my years or more settled and settled that offering more. Now, anything that has affected you in the past, now background, they can refuse. I'm wondering, say, specifically, maybe past years or whatever, even if through red light, now maybe sentence or one now can they just use it and stop you from there? As the house specific or maybe your marker say refuse to enter now. The patch of BTO so that's
Kofi, Debia will be some very brilliant questions, and I bought my explaining my community. No, Manyati, Debia, Yaka, 31st December, Mr. Remo, Montremarchi, Madrim Russell. Kofi Antubam question will be the second part, and then I started from the 1st of December, which is, I think it's next 2 weeks, because next week, Friday, 27th. In terms of Monday, I have a week and I started. The first question will be may I answer no later.
Okay.
Sir, Obianim, your Freddie be general grounds for refusal. I think say a part either part 10 or part 9 of the immigration rules. Your friend of 320s. 320s no, you will be a mandatory, you will be a discretionary. The new immigration rules are yadeba change EU requirements, almost the Annex 3. Abeka Appendix EU Neho and Appendix EU FP, family permit. Sa requirement in say, so why a BB da? Why a BB? Why a deception? Why ma false? Why arranged marriages? Why Bobby Manoy arranged marriages? Usubanya Ombetimi Ajawasitane Frunsem. But remember, sir, Afena law noba. Ain't a subaya. Koye nim no nye suban a wachire ayesa na law no nye fair because see anyesa na law no tie enti from the 1st of December no so woman false declaration, false representation, false marriage of convenience we bibi any say we o create any bibi currently no e under immigration rules so mo de abeka ho na ye betimi age wasetena na free nsem ade a also be ahya ne so no say started from Monday by any week, which is 1st of December. Hey. The other part, I'm so beside BB between the grace period, said definition of reasonable grounds, The attendant say your IP and our implementation period between January and December this year, and your friend of IP and our implementation period. Between January and June, your friend grace period. After grace period, utimi eye application. Miss Ramo, Mamonko Kancho Biasa Kobense o Munchana after next year utimi me say ubetimi aye say reasonable grounds. Pretty Patel, actual Yvette Cooper, April this year. I think it's 19th of April, and 14th of April. Otro Yvette Cooper say, "Sir, reasonable grounds, Ebenezer. Now we are kola, ain't no new. 2. Ebenezer near yawo yakayaka de, ebia domestic violence mo, and now papa now mammy mo, born in your mom person bebo. And I say, oh, maybe a mental health issue." And I say, "You already bought my hospital and into 20 million application." Wasa ka in the letter now the comma Yvette Cooper and I say, almost the new definition of reasonable grounds. By example, so the man 3. Akola obia or domestic violence and our yakayaka dim and our medical grounds and no pet and a reasonable grounds. So 1 year application between now and June 2021, you be declared illegal. Am I deported? Bear in mind, sir, paragraph 39E of immigration rules no any applicable. I am now going say ubetimi overstay for 14 days. No, who overstay for 1 hour, 1 day, crown hour overstay. Because over 5 years now, you count lawful residents. And to overstay by 1 day, it may affect you. Almost won't be deported. It will be a Shannon soon. So who will be here? Now we say this because say your community no, your boy and to me prefer say I saw Rebecca Sachin for Ghanaian community, Ghanaian Union, Ghanaian Association. O when you have a bonny de rose, obi oye EU ni ana EU ni ebusu ni bia no. A share wo say o wa hakra na wo say your application e call office. Latest by June. Now o kofa wunua wadam wofa say by wo say witimi a application before December. Oma decision no after December, still we are covered. Almost the new regulation about no sign into law and also from January no more about worrying no more application the more immigration rules, which means we are EU near now for 5 years corona ubetimi worry obi diaba. Would him say under immigration rules no So wa na wo limited leave untimi for obi mma untimi fa wuku ana wo yere mma age say we are British or indefinite and now we are refugee by your law na yesesa no from January no so we are EU ni na wo 5 years nko ade and now 5 years na aka 1 year and aka 6 months kra na yasesa law no I friend appendix FM no eligibility leave to enter entry clearance no ɛno nso ɛma ho kwan sɛ wobɛtumi ɛde obi aba ɛno nso yɛ nhyehyɛ a yɛde aba ɛkyena no yɛbɛ dedicate saa 2 hours na ama saa new immigration rules no new rule ɔmde aba ne sɛ woyɛ visitor wɔso no ɔba ha wobɛtumi akɔ school ɛnte sɛ first na woyɛ visitor wontumi nkɔ school no ɛno nso yɛ new rule ɔmde aba student route no nso ɛno nso ɔma asesa no ɛno nso wode wo bank statement kyerɛ for the first year womfa nkyerɛ biom till sɛ wobɛfi kurom ha akɔ ni nyinaa yɛ adeɛ a ɛboa. Kofi meda wase sɛ wobisa asa question.
Bra Kofi yɛn nso yɛda ase ɛwɔ ha sei. Yo kafra mpatwa wo a wo landline so wo na edu so. Obi ka sɛ memfa course minia mutumi ho sɛ course me fa nie na nipa frɛ no na ɛdɔ so. Hello call mpatwa wo a landline so yɛ frɛ wo sɛ na wo kasa friend. Hello.
Bajamia.
What landline is no?
Okay. Yeah. Morning, Manati.
Good morning.
Namenchia Uncle Ben as well.
Hello.
Uncle Ben Michel on the way.
Joseph Hene.
Now, no pay me free but I'm so worried. Now,
what's the why they?
My
worried.
A bit worried because this is not free say. Omo yeah for Bushman. Okay, my worry, me or EU ni. Na maybe 5 years for now. Na ye trust it be boa me miss me nua. E me nua no mo Ghana. Ya my DNA. Dependent. Now they say no. What they say no I change it till say I change it on by next 2 weeks no. The engineer needs application now. Not that they are out. And now I say after.
Oh, yeah, there be impartial. Ebessa more up to 31st of December was some year in your application. More up to 31st of December. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, a new application. What for application? What for say application? A new application. A new. Whatever it is, you know. Extended family member. Wobakum application, wobayere application. Ningina ebe started from January no. Wuntimi enye.
And not just the Oma son and say, Sanka ebe continue say after now. Omoye union I say we wish you for long time no. That no. I know the feel.
Near Uncle Ben eka say starting Monday no crawl on board and no so yet. So inti nyoma migration we na o ka say e besisa no no onyanka ho asem inti from now no up to 31st ne de.
Mommy enye immigration make yeah for ebusuan na make one asem here because for Bushman for no, I trust and I bobo no one.
Ubet to me as application from now on up to 31st. So wait to me as application. Uncle Ben,
yes.
But not first now can make a baby say after now you free to the 1st of December the crown. And I'm saying Omoye Bushman for that Dalintino till I'm able to know Omaba.
Yes,
I the ABI can say what Busia, Abusia, what can Busia, a yere, Wukun, Womame, Wopapa, Woba, Wanana. That's always been the case. Obio can be an extended family member. Omolono has always been different. And up to 31st of December, so person would do nearby. I was saying, now the new law or Modiabano. The old law definition of extended family member is totally different. Under extended family member, no, even under the 2016 regulation, utimi de unia eba, utimi de wafa aseba. But the new law, approved no last October, last few weeks, see na abe law. I say extended family member you'll be one or what specified document. And to this specified document, just a waji asetena manadada. And I waji visa or deba untimi fanoma. And then at the 31st December. And your friend Auko creating you, no one yana dada. And he said, who won me no dada? I was so no basis here. Why?
What I say?
It's a million Cyprus, no, or school where a student almost come to fall into that same category. No.
Welcome out to him this year.
A little bit, but it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, that's it, Papa. Yeah, that's it. So still, I true what you are. To me, afraid.
Yeah, Manyati, and Nintina, you're taking your time and right Unisky, and then a china 2 hours in eye for such changes here, bay. I important, sir, Yenuanum Ebehu, sir. Yiri wukun woba ayiri ni kun say ayiri ni kun ayiri ni kun before by 31st of December we need problem. Yes. Ayiri a kun from January obetimi the number under immigration route. I was so here Jumenya 18.6. I was so here English test. I was so accommodation restriction beba. Woba wonana wo maame wo papa omo nyina no so from January, and so bet me the but there's no restriction. And now what the woman bar, who can say what no bar, who shall no crowd bet me the number because almost a dependence in here assumed. Yes. However, from January, the dependence in here assumed to be I was so prove a washano. And we are what I say, who person no bar, fanobra, and up to, and I'll file it between and December 31st. Once our file a quarter on. So we had decision no January, February, March, April, June, July, December next year cry air affect you. So we refusing out the court still we protect. I'm protect them under the new immigration rules. But idea can say mumo be ante say a nuanum sa adoption dependence in Yemen from January no and year Jumabio. New law almost by last 2 weeks, Saneka.
Okay. Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. I don't for more line so Pacho well number ended with 0273 no Kafra. Edo so your friend was saying that okay as a friend.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho point say.
Adumuni ashi me ho ye pa. Pacho won so e.
Nyamiada.
Yo, bisa wasem.
Pacho, good morning.
Good morning, or here to say.
Nyamiada.
Okay.
Because when you be a Mr. Emma, the sister, and then you about. Now, first one, and I say, where you are, na Obano, or per se, I may have Duma, or Cocofa, a year name, and then I don't say Cocofa, name, ever. Nti obeso ohu se esia no omu fi mu a omu se family member no o ma me no o concern na dem ma no we depend on you obi ma fa for fa no na me aba as a family member na
yeah new definition of close family members no omo ka ho nti se wa ware be ma na na a ene no be ma na ma me ya ne mother-in-law ne ma me no and by any mother-in-law after December, and then you know, or yeah, I call anytime be I'll bet me the number. I affect them.
Oh, okay.
So I warrant before December 31st, I'll bet me the Berman Mammy about anytime.
Okay. And I talk to you, a year, Mr. Stano. okura asylum British book new different media but almost more asylum for the British book and looking okura but this year disability crisis on said that ejuma na when you be maybe okoko ware no if ever you offer who say this year no onye ejuma no that's offer okoko ware everything affects the application one.
Ejina benefit our so say we are British citizen. Maintenance requirement and our financial requirement enka or so ye jumenya 18.6. But your benefits be a war year still no because onye juma winya 18 but still betimi de nipanaba. Aye benefit now or jine be determined. Intini nyina begina ohwe GEN 1.3 1.1 and 1.3 emma options are betimi adiaba inti check benefit na original o ma yehu a ye betimi a check ama why
Pacha matene nyame aduma next week nyame de yakwache ofanyi
amen
Yen why? That's Papa. You. But well online. So when I do, so if I was saying I'll cast a friend. Hello. Online, yes. But if I was saying I'll cast a friend.
Your friend 𝐒𝐻𝐿𝐻𝐿 because of free Manchester.
But to be so awesome, uncle.
My question, Uncle Ben, good morning. My question here.
Good morning.
You know, but so my application, Omo last month no mama me ko bo me sa no me ko me lawyer ne e ma me de me passport no ko ba me de passport no ko en omo anye passport no mbo me sa no ana omo no busan say wo wi alo say I bet me akofie but omo anye passport no and two after say me ko bo me sa no it's more than a month but me nya any certificate of application and I say bisa me take you free omo the question no.
Oh, you know, Ababa, why? Yabutre, Ababa.
Yeah, check your email now. Call spam ne monso why?
Lawyer ne details ne bibia yeah
and Ababa once our born son or born say we are was some brow COAB, Chomo brow COA now. And be a decision of a baby one on baby sound near my bium for floor. Tinyabutre, Ababa, why?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's it, Papa. Hello. Pacho, wow, now my 6966. When I do so, your friend send our case free.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, your friend, Nana.
That's a say.
Pacho, Timenka. Yo, and my page our voice can cram me why nebisa Uncle Ben no question and I am called. Why?
Uncle Ben, Pacho, me bisa a year and Mama dance to be our grandma. Ma, you won't walk home happy to I haven't said hello.
Do more radio.
Radio new conf. Say in time as soon, but just 2 minutes grace period. Into no bisa question in time, Uncle. Why? Do more radio net from the telephone. Why?
Radio ni on.
And I make a radio ne call into no Facebook for pay na omoti and casisia. Into bisa uya na ye de jumadi no abewie.
Me pacho ye wono come has say British friend birth certificate. Na meaning say you will period be which me apply for British passport at the back home has say say Uncle Bear explain me can cry me.
Yeah, Benny, oh.
Yeah, one of 1980.
19 day.
Facebook for pay.
I say 19 day.
1980.
Yeah, one in 1980 or you're British. I need relevance to the papa status and animal status. Obia ya one or habia 1980 biano or you're British.
Mami Pachawati.
Hello?
Menti ukasa menti voice crowd. Hello, Mami. Oh. Uncle Ben, say, Yemre now so. Into me last caller, Mamma Negina so ache. Mema wa answer no na fide di dwumedie no abewie. Hello, Colampacho wa homa so ye friend say na ka se friend.
Me pacho ye friend me efia. Me ka se free outside.
Ma me pacho koso.
Me chia mo ana no pay na nyame hia mo ne dwumedie abodi. Me pacho na mpese me bisa Uncle Ben say no ka about you asem na me bisa ni say ukofa we ready na aba you uba kofa no they say you omo free mu after December no obeba as a you ube your application as a you ana pacho
you say what warrant no answer na omo free mu December ya and obeba as EU why
a name of running nyina on me pacho
omo nyina
me pacho you me that
you good luck.
Yes,
you bye
bye. Yes, we does. Yeah, some Uncle Ben. And then they are me kwama man come messages. And Pacho with a mestra wadaroma. We know 2 minutes off radio 2 minutes. Na member mode astronaut watch in 5 minutes. Be na yem fan chom na fe last note no. Ama ubia etumi eti say how dia.
Oh yeah, me okay.
Yo, okay. And hello, caller wa homa so Pacho
hello, my good morning. Menitema how Facebook was ana wapehime. Uncle Ben morning.
Morning.
Yeah, that was Juma Pamo. Ye manye mpacho me question ye to be an intentem. Me pacho me worry British ni na me ma ewo Ghana. Na at the moment, me kuni ye Juma ewo Watford, and I me wo Birmingham. Na me say tenancy agreement a requirement. But the day ye Juma na me no Birmingham ninti me bibia wo me kun wo address me bibia on ho Watford. Na day ye wo mo Watford ho na flat single room ni we make us a chimbe ho me say ye kan yi wa. But then me say me den kola na ibenti say me nya 2 rooms but baby, I'm a more Birmingham, makes me a high 2 rooms, but Birmingham, so ye, John, Johnson, to me, move, me coming home. Uncle Ben Patrosan, and none may anything.
Are you okay, sir, or by rent to dine or baby? Now, Berman also ye, Juma or baby. If Freddie be a friend of matrimonial home, Crawford Bray, ye, Juma, or London, but almost outside, a big crash France. To about weekdays, no, by Juma, weekend knock, and society. I didn't hear say, oh, baby, and Colano bar on Benya baby atena. That is an important thing. Why?
And compare Bacho, or no, one eye, 1 year, single room, my 1 year, 2 bedrooms, and think a baby, I'm age man and compare behind 2 bedrooms, you know. Lanka, ye use to know the application. You're very saying. And
I know, sir, the bank statement in any BBR before new bigger accommodation.
Okay.
I just the year no. Ne man eba no but oya adwuma wo baby nti ebi a wa high chamber ana otu I don't know maybe on Monday to Friday weekends no abefi and I be wa 1 week are you okay once I all dine are you okay why
okay nti pacho tenancy agreement no say yemi no ayi na ese baso na menko
once so one order your mobile no your mobile it doesn't matter or you who need you okay mummy no mudi you okay either way it doesn't matter.
Mpacho my second question here quick mpacho say we EU ni na oji benefit utimi fa ukun free Ghana ba
absolutely under EU rules no adwuma ye requirements say under EU SS no so what now have 5 years I will indefinitely leave and permanent residence. Which made no by Juma and your requirement.
And as you say, COVID-19, so want to mean Kogana and Kawari now, make me a year free here.
Our real advantage a woman say Ghana for yet me a year customary marriage and when you answer Obekwa Warino. The Yan say Obe Nippano before 31st December. Once a Busia for Tanasi Aware, who knew who. One more permission so Mongia Warriano or Warewa under customary law are valid until bit media.
Uncle Benny Das. Manya so many das pass or pick him in most of my house and what pick him. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
That's it, Mammy. Siciano, men for call baby, number more 2 questions be ha. Uncle Ben Messer na once Bako or Facebook so same. Can I bring my brother without a DNA test? How and where can one do a DNA test? Can I use only a birth certificate? DNA test they be a boss so abem say or be your fufro noble and kuma enti Uncle Ben mpacho.
Well, I advisable say we apply for a brother without a DNA. The simple fact is your registration of birth and you're secured. Obia on your Ghana and EBI to me register. Obia you won on 1970 to me kokasi you 1980. 80 dear BWF yeah basic advice obia wouldn't know baby no. Se mo person mo prove my relationship mo fa DNA improve. Yeah, they use now our boy ya Ghana 4 year Juma Mano, Anglia DNA, Omo UK, Omo Ghana, Omo Babia, Omo Ete, Yakasano, and we use sooner a better Anglia DNA, yes.
Okay, Uncle Bayada, and I will also say Val Hardman, or say hello. My problem is about the UK state pension. They wouldn't pay me even though my late husband was a white British.
Mente ade a late husband a British pension and citizenship and foul state crown or pension your pension either say spousal pension and a widow's pension either way a right a because either wukun we yere a contribution and was it now.
Sanetie questions ne edos wa hananka bem say emre aha na emre be ma ye ho kwan na won so wako tia wedwuma paso a oye na etie for medam nyina se before anka bem be ma ye wi asem no me bom nkae say nyame ya adoma ochena 21st of November. Hey, Uncle Ben, my warrior anniversary.
Oh, happy anniversary, my tea.
60 years.
Hey. Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Me that's it. Me born day.
Catch a professor. The champagne or ice. Intimi huna me de be mano.
Pachi you mati. Yo, intete for me bom nkaye. Ochina nyame adoma. Bwf Solicitors for community and the law, and the law and the community baso ochina the same time 4 to 6 na 2 hours ni nyina ye dedicate amasa questions are air popping up bebrebia still nkrofo enya emwaye no nyame adoma new we na eba no nso Uncle Ben bo so say from first week of December nhihye different nhihye na aba no obeba bebo ne nyina so ewo ho wa to ne boase akirikire mu na minim se yiyufo ye dose wo kromu ha enti sene etie bia ne bibike ebefa wo ho bibike ebefa wo ho menya wo say 31st no ewechi on say ye shase January na nse ya November no enye wu na echese radize mamu na aka emetiawa nanso enkechi fiti ena ekodu 31st even the time before the hour no krano when you file in your application now owo arechichiremu say ebetumi edi dwuma se ne Uncle Ben kan no se fa no wo monsem nkoana donkro no bom say ya nya akodi o monsem enti enkechi to ho anamon sesi a menka se ochena bi eni ho eye enne asem ne ye ka to ho anamon na ansana afaw say rapture no yo Uncle Ben mema ho kwan na ode wiye asem anase ne odi beja ye ne ede amaye Facebook for medamase machere modo ampa say a monya no monkoso se mentumi ambobo mudin anchiachia mwamu hu senior phone calls na eba no na intervals na ewom no mame ho kwanti mesremo na masa adamase nso Uncle Ben.
Well, Manyeti, I mean, first of all, yada eti for us. Mesremo and the program no idea dama so especially for a ma intimate wo.
Yes.
Option wo ho say obema obi afanyin say na ma na wako obana dane British na wako fanaba and our fire immigration when out the number. I mean, himself way nyame akyɛdeɛ, but processing so hɔ me feel say no so nyame na creative process no. So it has you use egg and our sister egg and our down for egg and our be egg. Edi aye and our sa oba egg. Na wanyem no dia wama na wanya oba. Ni nyina nyame akyɛdeɛ. Kwan wɔ hɔ sɛ wobɛtimi de akɔla na ba. Kwan so wɔ sɛ akɔla ne benya British passport. Ɛkyena 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Bon joining ye be on park changes ni nyina. I'm glad to say already changes na ba in term at least a my time ye ne mo be kasa because first no na ye say o me say o me say sisi ade CP o ma sign law no ama e da ho
yes
mumma obi ante obi o ye EU ni ebusua bi ne a china ontie na ye on park new changes ni nyina de mfama
yo Uncle Ben yedase Facebook for yedamase mo amutune ni nso yedamase YouTube for nso yedamase ya na I told you na me ref mo nso na mo hwe mo TV so YouTube for nyame nhira obi bia enefiada 20th of November no emre ne ekwa na ekom nya kai hu se Bwf Solicitors o ma hwe no mo nsesaye na lockdown you kra mpo ho kra no mo ye dwuma dendenden okwa omo de hihye ato ho kama protocol be also film for that safety measures no oma to ni nyina enda ho fine ensuro embohu frɛ na book appointment na ko hu omo 7 sisters tube station ne so pepepepe obehu abansuru bi esi ho eye 214 to 218 highway 214 to 218 highway 7 sisters na omo postcode ni London N15 4NP London N15 4NP na just say N15 4NP bomodia na kona fa telephone number so to kotodua no in case of anything utumi frɛ ubetumi so afrɛ no so na we book appointment say ufrɛ na lawyer bia opese oni ne kasa lawyer Bernard lawyer Eunice lawyer Richard lawyer Francis ne omo a eka ho no obetumi afrɛ obia ofrɛ ya no akasa me pese me ne Uncle Ben ne kasa ye be ma ho kwan me pese me ne lawyer Eunice ne kasa ye be ma o say lawyer bia o pese oni no ye comfortable o pese oni ne kasa ye be ma ho kwan na frɛ number we 0208 493 7340 me science so se matome bo asese nia obetumi atworo 0208 493 7340 bomodia natural sa na mai Bwf Solicitors omo ho ma community no omo bua kwan bia so a obenya wasitena pa ewo krom ha na wasum adwo no omo ye enye ha nko a o Ghanaian law anase Ghana law nsusu omo de ho akotene papa enti bibi kire wa adwen o to asase bi obi ne o twemanso ana o si dan bi obi si enye wo dan amanso chese ye ka Ghana estate development hu law nso dia ene trust me uko hu Bwf Solicitors a omo no be fa kwan paso na ama we hu say yes omo ye bia yo yeda mo nyina se nyame nhira mo nyina mo amotune mo nyame nhira no ochena nso 4 to 6 Bwf Solicitors website no so 4 to 6 live Bwf Solicitors don't forget na mo tune ye be share o tune nso na wabomodian no wa share nyame nhira obi bia mo anti ye nka sisia ochena ye be hu mo anase ye beti mo nka nyame nhira mo mediane manye na te nyame nhira mo
bye bye
bye bye bye.
So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me.
Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.